Nice to see ya. Nice to meet ya. Let me greet ya. I would like to introduce you guys to a new friend of mine. I call this guy Wyrm. He's magic. He wears an astral suit. And he's a reality bender. If this guy were to appear again, he would use his powers for good. Well, I got good news for you. Next time I run into him, I'm gonna wish for that. Wyrm was debuted for one of the new fighters for Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles in space. Basically, this guy's like Zenbu, only he has he's got special powers. This guy's definitely worthy. This guy would have been really amazing in helping everyone retrieve the black hole generator. There we are. Here is his shoe. And lastly, much like his classic 80s counterparts, this guy has a tentacle for an extra leg, which is kind of amazing if you ask me. Like Darwin's beard. Got him. That's how it's done. That's how you draw a Wyrm. That's what I call magic. Relax, guys. If they get the chance to do more seasons for the Ninja Turtles series, they are definitely gonna place Wyrm in another episode, and they're gonna give him, and they're gonna make him one of the Turtles' greatest allies.